Let's be honest about something. The world didn't just get more expensive, it got less efficient. There's a difference. Inflation is normal. Prices rising over time is expected. But when prices rise faster than quality, when convenience replaces value, when marketing replaces logic, you're not just spending more, you're leaking money. And most people don't notice because the leak is silent. It happens in subscriptions, in upgrades, in habits, in autopilot decisions. Today, we're breaking down 10 things that are no longer worth your money in 2026, not because you can't afford them, but because the return on your dollar has collapsed, and smart money isn't about earning more, it's about allocating better. There was a time when upgrading your phone every year made sense. Camera improvements were massive, battery life doubled, processing speed jumped dramatically. Now, year-over-year improvements are incremental. Slightly better camera, slightly brighter screen, minor chip improvement. But the price? $1,000 to $1,500. And here's what's worse. People finance phones. They normalize paying monthly for a device that depreciates faster than almost anything they own. If your current phone works well, upgrading for aesthetic reasons is no longer value-driven. It's dopamine-driven. A modern phone easily lasts 3 to 5 years. The marginal improvement does not justify the marginal cost. Smart move? Stretch the life cycle. Upgrade when performance declines, not when marketing peaks. New cars used to represent reliability. Now they represent premium pricing. Interest rates are high, insurance is rising, maintenance costs are up, and depreciation remains brutal. A new car can lose 20% of its value in year one, in some cases more. And if you finance it at 7 to 9%, you're compounding the loss. Most people don't calculate total cost of ownership. They calculate monthly payment. That's the trap. A $600 payment doesn't feel scary, but $600 plus insurance, plus fuel, plus maintenance, plus depreciation, that's often $1,000 plus per month in total economic impact. Lightly used cars often deliver dramatically better value. Buying new is rarely about logic, it's about emotion. Streaming was supposed to replace cable. It did. Then it became cable again. Netflix, Disney+, HBO, Prime, Apple TV, YouTube Premium, music subscriptions, individually affordable, collectively expensive. $15 here, $10 there, $12 somewhere else. Suddenly, you're spending $100 to $150 per month. That's $1,800 per year for passive consumption. Here's the bigger issue. Subscription culture trains you not to notice cost. Small recurring payments feel harmless, but recurring payments are the enemy of margin. The smarter approach? Rotate subscriptions, cancel aggressively, pay intentionally. Don't let entertainment become a fixed expense that grows silently. Fast fashion feels affordable. $20 shirt, $30 jeans, $15 accessories, but quality has declined. Durability is lower, stitching is weaker, fabric is thinner. You replace more often. That's not cheap, that's recurring. Cost per wear matters more than sticker price. 5 $25 shirts replaced every year cost more than 2 high-quality shirts that last 5 years. There's also a psychological cost. Fast fashion feeds impulse. Impulse feeds spending. Spending feeds financial stagnation. Quality basics greater than quantity trends. Housing has become the largest financial commitment for most households, and bigger is no longer neutral. It's expensive. Extra square footage means higher mortgage, higher taxes, higher insurance, higher utilities, more furniture, more maintenance, more cleaning, more everything. When interest rates are elevated, every additional $50,000 in home price matters dramatically. The bigger is better mindset made sense when rates were 3%. At 7%, that extra bedroom is extremely expensive. Live efficiently. Upgrade intentionally, not emotionally. Food delivery is one of the biggest silent drains of modern budgets because it feels small. $18 meal, $4 service fee, $6 delivery fee, $5 tip. Now it's $33. Do that 3 times per week. You're spending $400, $600 per month. That's $5,000, $7,000 per year. That's investment money. That's emergency fund money. That's compounding money. Delivery isn't evil. Habitual delivery is expensive. Convenience has a cost. Frequency multiplies it. Installments everywhere. Shoes in 4 payments, flights in 6 payments, furniture in 12 payments. This system reduces psychological pain, but it increases long-term cost. You stop feeling full price. You fragment debt. Fragmented debt reduces awareness, and reduced awareness increases spending. If you need financing for non-essential consumption, that purchase probably isn't aligned with wealth building. Comfort financed is fragile comfort. Health is valuable. Unused memberships are not. $80 per month for a gym you attend 6 times? That's $13 per workout. And many people attend less. Commit or cancel. Half commitment is expensive. There are lower-cost alternatives. Community gyms, home workouts, outdoor exercise. Health is an investment. Unused subscriptions are waste. Travel can be transformative, but financing travel at high interest? That's costly memory-making. Experiences are valuable. Debt for experiences is risky. Interest payments extend your vacation long after it ends. Travel intentionally, not emotionally, and never let temporary enjoyment create long-term financial friction. Retailers push warranties aggressively. Why? Because they're profitable. Statistically, many small electronics don't fail within warranty windows, and when they do, repair cost is often less than warranty premium. Insurance should be used for catastrophic risk, not minor inconvenience. Self-insuring small items is usually more efficient. All 10 share common traits. They monetize convenience. They monetize impulse. They monetize autopilot. The modern economy is built around frictionless spending. Click once, tap once, swipe once. No pause. And without pause, there is no evaluation. And without evaluation, there is no optimization. Wealth is built in the pause. Imagine cutting $1,500 from subscriptions, $6,000 from delivery habits, $8,000 from car overpayment, $3,000 from impulse upgrades. That's $18,500 per year. Invested annually for 10 years at moderate returns, that's potentially over $250,000. Small inefficiencies compound negatively. Small optimizations compound positively. Frugality alone doesn't create wealth. Strategy does. Spend heavily on what truly matters. Cut aggressively on what doesn't. Money is a tool. Every dollar has a job. If it's not building freedom, it's building consumption. And consumption doesn't compound. The world got more expensive, but not everything got more valuable. Smart money in 2026 means question habits, question defaults, question upgrades. Because wealth isn't built by income alone. It's built by eliminating leaks. And most leaks are invisible until you look. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always consult a qualified professional before making major financial decisions. Which of these 10 are you still spending on? Which one surprised you the most? Comment below. And if you want more honest breakdowns about money, consumption, and long-term wealth strategy, subscribe. We don't sell hype. We analyze behavior. See you in the next one.